Today we will be demonstrating how to replace the mirror head cover on a Clearview Compact Mirror. Tools required are a flat screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently pushing the mirror forward, then gently pry the top two tags to release the glass from the actuator. Please watch the overview for more information. Now you will need to remove the 5 screws from the mirror frame. Please be mindful of any wiring beneath the glass. Now that you have removed the 5 screws, you will need to remove the fascia. Gently release the mirror head from the tags as shown. Push your mirror back into its driving position and locate your new replacement mirror head cover. Now you will need to match the locating tabs, working from the bottom to the top and firmly clicking it into place. Once your mirror head is secured, gently push the mirror head forward. Then refit the fascia followed by the 5 screws previously removed into the mirror frame. Be mindful not to trap any wiring within this process. Once the screws are secured, you will now need to refit your mirror glass. Locate the mirror glass and align the tags, and with a firm press, gently push the glass into position. Once the glass is secure, you will now need to gently push the mirror back into its driving position. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Clearview towing mirrors.